2, 1. Yeah! I'm here with Amouri.
Hello. How is
Yes. So, Amouri's pretty awesome.
it?
And, I've convinced her to actually upload videos for once.
I mean, when I started off, I was originally thinking, yeah, I'm going to try and upload one by this Friday, and then the Friday after that, and then everything just went.
I actually have to build my deck again. Whoops. Let's do this.
Armored cards.
Zermiger Durgs, 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 Durgs. Mm.
Oh, okay, that's what I did. Let's see.
So for one of those, I don't particularly like that card.
Hmm.
That one's terrible. I rely on evades, so this one's good. Yeah.
Ah.
My experience with this game is the CPUs almost always win.
Okay, so it's almost entirely like Mario Party then.
Either that or I'm just entirely terrible.
Let's not think that way. Let's think happy thoughts.
Yes. Let's think happy thoughts and not think about making a video to use as an application to the ones club because we've managed to go like 20-30 minutes only rolling ones or something.
All right. Okay. Well, there we go. There's a deck.
Yes. I'll tell you the little bit I know about this game. Okay. My bonuses. Cool. Okay. So I'm gonna really quickly move my face. Oof. Okay, hi. Now I'm in the right screen. Yeah, that's the thing.
Oh God.
Turns out my I very quickly learned my record button that I just set
Wait a second.
is
Did my first roll do this to me? It did. Alrighty, let's go get beat up. Oh, never mind.
now you're good.
I miscounted.
Turns out okay. I'm just gonna move. Yeah, turns out what I thought was my okay, let's go this way. Okay. So yeah, my start recording button happens to also switch me to a different scene in OBS. So that's important to not keep happening. Good thing I noticed that immediately.
Oh no.
Yeah, battle stuff,
I I got a chance of doing that. Ooh.
yeah. I can't really help you in battle, but I can explain how you get your normas and stuff. Like, you have to land on a house once you have either enough kills or enough star points to meet the requirements of the norma. I think you can do them at any house,
Uh-oh.
but yours you can land on intentionally. Like, you can choose to stop,
Okay.
but when it comes to other ones, you have to have the last, like, you have to stop on it. You can't just, like, pass by it. But when it comes to yours, you can choose to pass by it or end your turn early by just sitting on your spot to heal slightly and complete your normal.
Okay. Oh no. I've overfilled my hand.
Yes. And I'm player 2, so the player 2 house there is apparently the one I want to go for. Oh, okay. Well, looks like I'm fighting something regardless.
Good luck.
Big oof. Thank you. Hey, okay. I swear, like, every VTuber plays this game. We should do a, you know, it'd be funny.
What's that?
Trying to organize a VTuber, massive competition to see who is the overall winner among the VTubers at this game. Like, have a bracket chain and of like 4 people. I guess, yeah, you could do a 4-player bracket.
Yeah.
That could be interesting to do.
Yeah, that'd work pretty well.
Comment sections. Tell us if it's dumb, smart, or worth it. You don't want to land on these, by the way. You lose stars.
Okay. Okay, so the blue things that say drop a bit. Okay.
Yeah, dropu. Yeah, based on how high you roll is how many things you lose, basically. Also, the normas that you get when you like land at houses, that when you complete them, you get an additional star that you see by your names, and higher star words. The more stars you have, the higher cards you can use, because cards have star requirements. And also, once you get all of the stars, and then you complete another norma, you win.
Okay. Right. Oh.
And the normas are either collecting X amounts of, like, literal stars, like the things that you get on the bonus spaces, not like the stars by our icons. It's either collect numbers of those, or get kills.
Right, well, all I have to do is just beat everyone else up and not get beat up myself.
Yes.
I'm gonna have to. When I go through editing, I'm
go
gonna
the long
have
way.
to take account of my ones.
Yes.
Oh, thank goodness.
Yeah. That'd be a good counter.
Yeah.
Rolls of 1.
No, I don't feel like dying. I don't feel like teleporting either.
And at some point, the yeah, the like fighting spaces will sometimes turn into boss spaces. Here's hoping or I die. Yep. Okay. Dead. Then you have to roll to come back to life.
Right.
I still have not learned how to use combat in this game successfully.
Well, I mean, given you have to throw dice and maybe have a card add a modifier or two.
Yeah, I'm not. There's supposed to be some sort of strategy one can use, like the evade versus block, and I just don't know that yet.
Okay.
There's another one.
Wow, that was a real productive use of 2 dice.
Yep.
Yay!
There's also a co-op mode where we beat up a chicken.
Ooh.
Another one. 2 ones in a row.
Okay. This is starting to click again. Yeah.
Yes.
I mean, I've only like seen people play it. I've never actually touched the thing myself.
Daw.
Alright. There we go.
Danasu. Apparently there are, like, voice packs or something, but I don't know anything about that.
Yeah, I'd heard something about voice pack DLC and whatnot.
Bonusy. Not trap cards. I love trap cards.
You've triggered my trap card!
You've activated my trap card. Oh, you don't want to fight me?
Nah. Nah, I don't feel like being violent.
Daw. Oh, Norma has been achieved. Oof. Also, if you forget what your Norma is, you can curse over your character and figure it out.
Oh. Okay.
And I think I could do that to you, too.
And?
Yeah. Looks like you need to get 30 or more Wait. Man, you are killing it on stars over here.
Holy crap. I am. I see you, CPU B. 2 stars behind me.
Yeah, you need to try and do exactly that right there, yeah.
Alright.
Now, if you can manage to land on another one, you'll... I really would like... Ooh, okay. Warp. Take me somewhere good. Okay, that's really good for me, actually.
Let's see. No.
Jarapu! Don't worry, you can afford it. Now these spaces are boss spaces. The bosses are big oof.
Oh, dear.
Yep. Oh, God, I'm about to die here. Oh, thank goodness, I'd rather drop. Okay. I thought I had one more space to go and I was gonna end up on the boss space there. No bueno. This is actually a pretty balanced game, all things considered. It's usually one person is excessively higher than everyone else.
Yeah. Kind of like Mario Party. It's usually Luigi winning by doing nothing, or somehow Donkey Kong has all the stars.
Yes. I wish I had a Switch, because, you know a great way to roll a lot of ones is? Custom dice and frickin'
Ooh.
the new Mario Party.
True. I'm not sure if the Ones Club would accept dice that are rigged to roll ones, so.
True. I mean, there's... trap... I'll take the trap card. What am I afflicted with? I have no idea what I was afflicted with. That's some
Please
chaos
don't hurt
right there
me.
I'll use.
Yeah.
Oof. You lived somehow. That's good. That's about as good as you can expect.
Well, at least I wasn't murdered
Oh,
horribly.
CPUB. We got a gank CPUB.
Ooh. Ooh, we do got a gank CPB.
Bonusy.
Come on, CPUB. Come over to me. I dare you to pick a fight.
Yeah, I have a fancy card that moves everyone. That's my only current way to gank CPUB.
Alright, that works.
Just move them somewhere they don't want to be. The answer is yes, I'll tell you that. See, I'm nice.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I've seen some people getting started into this just get a little bullied and trolled.
Nah, I'm nice. Kadra. I wish I had more HP, because, like, I'm so squish. I mean, we're both so squish.
Oh.
I think the general consensus is... I don't know. I feel like Just the correct answer is always evade, it feels like for me. Especially because I have a +2 to evade. It just makes sense to do it nearly all the time.
True.
I know there are times when it's more strategically advantageous to block, but I don't know what those times are.
I guess it'd be if you don't really have high odds of evading.
Yes. I think, like, there's something like the number you roll when you block is subtracted from the amount of damage. But if you evade, you either successfully evade all of it, or you take the full damage.
So basically, as long as I'm not trying to evade like a 7, I should be good.
Yeah. I have no reason to land perfectly on 4, so I guess I'll just draw a card.
Please die. Close enough.
Yes.
There
Ooh.
we go.
Alright, now we don't necessarily need to gank CPUB. We just need to try and win before CPUB does. Oh, feck me. Kill it.
Uh-oh.
Kill the fire.
Oh, lordy.
Okay.
Yeah, as long as you don't roll a
I'm just
one.
gonna die.
Ooh.
Yeah, I'm just gonna die. That's how that works. I get into a situation and I see number will probably kill me. I'm just gonna die. And that's me out of contention to win unless everybody else gets horrifically screwed. Hey, don't roll a 1. I rolled a 1. That's the only time I've ever seen a 1 work well for anyone involved right there.
Just. Alrighty. Hi there. I'm here to try to kick the crap out of you.
You successfully did.
Oh. Apparently,
I'm also going to be honest with you. If you land on a house, you win.
Oh. So now I need that one.
Yes, I also just rolled the 1 from you. Or, you know, if you see house 4 is the house that you can intentionally stop on, so. Okay, now we're in the end game, everybody.
Okie dokie.
Anyone who has... Okay, so CPU 3 is, can win.
Please don't be a waste.
You can win. B and me can't win. You can still win. As long as you stay above 200, you can win. Okay, let's go here. Get a card. I don't know why I use healing cards, because realistically, I'm either dead or I'm at full health. These are how I exist. Ooh, you're about to win. I don't think I can stop you from... Yeah, I don't think I can stop you, except if you roll a 1. If you roll a 1, that's the only thing that'll stop you from winning.
And 1. Oh, what do you know?
I guess, to be fair, if you had clicked no, that would also stop you from winning.
That's true. Just take the controller out of
It
port
can't...
1, put it in Donkey Kong's port, tell him, nah, I don't want that star.
Yes.
He regains consciousness and he realizes he's past the star with nothing in his hands.
Yes. So we get item unlocked. Yes. Alright, do we want to try co-op? Beat up a chicken?
Sure.
Alright, let's see the length of the video.